Tammy and welcome to my kitchen.
I'm Charles. Ricky.
Mary.
Kayla.
I'm Mike.
Jen.
Today we're going to be learning how to do homemade macaroni and cheese versus the boxed macaroni and cheese. Now when you purchase this boxed macaroni and cheese, this is what you get in this box. You get these noodles and you get this cheese, which is processed. We do not know what's in this, it's just some kind of processed cheese. Okay? But when you do your homemade macaroni and cheese, you can pick your own kind of noodles, which this is the ones that I chose, the Mullers. You can pick your own kind of cheese, and I chose this cheese. And we also use shredded cheese. We use wholemeal, and we use butter. But if you want to make a more healthier macaroni and cheese, you can purchase the wheat noodles. You could purchase the skim milk. You can also get the low-fat butter. So what we do is we mix everything together. We put our noodles and we boil them first, and then we drain them, and then we mix our cheese and we put our cheese on the top, and then we mix our milk and our butter and one egg together, and we beat it, and we pour it across the macaroni noodles with cheese already on top. Then we put it in the oven, and we bake it on 400 for like 35-40 minutes. Make your own judgment on how brown you like it. And if you're not really, there's a lot of different macaroni and cheese recipes you can choose from. I actually went on a website called Amy's Savory Dish, and I found this homemade macaroni and cheese recipe. And she might have some different steps than what I did. I also have a cookbook that I bought many years ago called Heavenly Dishes. And it also has a baked macaroni and cheese recipe. And this is one that I use most of the time because this is my favorite one. And also when you buy like your macaroni noodles, if you will look on the back, there's also a baked macaroni and cheese recipe on the back of the Muller's Noodles box. And it also tells you what you can do. And it might vary as far as ingredients, might be a little bit different, a little bit more than what I've used. So when we bake it up, and it comes out of the oven, this is what it looks like, baked macaroni and cheese. So now we are going to taste it. And let's see what it tastes like when it's all finished. This is so delicious. You need to try it. So would everybody like to have some for a sample to test it? Sure. Okay. We will try it, and we'll all see what it tastes like, and you can let me know what you think about it. Once again, you can use your own ingredients. You can add more butter, less butter, more cheese, less cheese. Once you've made it a few times, you'll learn that your taste is not like everybody else's taste. You may want to put less salt. Depending on how many you're making it for, you may want to make just a smaller dish. It doesn't always have to be a big dish like this one. So what do you think? Give me some feedback.
Real good.
Real good? Is there anything about it you would like to change? I mean...
No.
No?
That was really good.
So Charlie, what do you think about my homemade macaroni and cheese?
Real good.
Let me know what you think. Thank you. So, to sum it all up, the reason why I'm telling you about the baked macaroni cheese is it's like, would you like to have it like this? Or would you prefer to have it like this with processed cheese that we don't know what's in it? So y'all decide. And I hope you enjoy it.
Very good.
Very good.
Especially the crust.
Okay. More? Anybody like to have more?
I'm good, thank you.
All right, I hope y'all enjoyed it.
Name.
Charlie. Ricky.
Karen.
Kayla.
Mike.
Jen.